Hey YouTube, welcome back. I have an unboxing video for you guys to see today. This is the Apple iPad Digitizer, and it says iPad 3 Digitizer Black. So I guess it's compatible with the Apple 4. So let's go ahead and do the unboxings. This one doesn't come with any tools, so this is just a screen by itself. And this one comes with the home button already installed already. So I don't need to take off on the old one and install it. And that's a camera hole right there. Front facing camera. And they come with tape, double-sided tape. It's already implanted on the screens, which is good. So you don't need to struggle and then having a hard time to peel it off and put it back on. And there's a camera metal plate right there, so you don't need to take off on the old one. And this screen is only less than $10 with the free shipping that I purchased through eBay. Hopefully it's gonna last pretty while for my customer. So please like this video and subscribe to our channel for any upcoming new videos. So I guess the next repair I'll be doing or upload will be this iPad 4th generation repair tutorial. Okay? Well, and I'll see you on the next video. Please share it with your friends and family or social media. And thank you for watching, and peace.